This is how to make Nigerian commercial Milky Chin Chin mix. Now this is the only recipe and the best recipe you will ever need for your crunchy Milky Chin Chin in Nigeria. So let's dive right into the video. I'm making use of nutmeg. I also be making use of corn flour. Please check the description box for the measurement of all items that I'll be using in making my Nigerian commercial Milky Chin Chin mix. Now this is a mixture of milk powder and milk flavor. I'll be telling you the reason why I'm using both in the description box beneath this video. Then I'll be making use of granulated white sugar, your regular sugar. And then I'll be making use of flour, your regular all-purpose flour. So these are all the items I'll be using for my Nigerian commercial Milky Chin Chin mix. And this is the only recipe that you will ever need. So I'm literally going to be adding all the dry items into my mixing bowl and mixing them with my spatula. You can also use your hand whisk, and that is just all. That is how simple this is. Hey, before you say, Susie, is there no baking powder in your chin chin recipe? No, there's no baking powder in my chin chin recipe, and it is very, very crunchy and it is perfect. It strikes a balance between crunchy and soft. So trust me, you want to try this recipe because yes, I usually share my no-fail baking recipes on this channel. Now if you want to see the wet ingredients or how to turn this into a crunchy milky chin chin, then you need to check my vlog channel. I'll be leaving a link in the description box to this video. You need to check my vlog channel to see the making of this mix into a Nigerian commercial crunchy milky chin chin. Once you add all items into your mixing bowl, just stir them up well together. And to store this in an airtight container for later. To all my new viewers, if you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe and support this channel so that I'll be encouraged to share more no-fail baking recipes, cake recipes, small chops recipes and the like. Now don't also forget to check the description box beneath this video for a link to the written recipe because I'll be sharing different storage methods for this recipe, how long it's going to last, that is the shelf life, how you can prep and package this mix to sell and make cool cash in 2024, and different variations of flavor to this recipe. Trust me, this is a recipe that you don't want to mix. So if you've enjoyed this recipe to this time, that's all from me for today, and see you in subsequent videos. Bye for now.